Rhythmic arrangement of numbers. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? Looks like alternate numbers are repeated twice and then thrice. Let's mark the sequences that way. So we draw a line between 1 and 2, and after 2, after 3, after 4, after 5, after the two dashes, and what do we find? We fill in the gaps now. So we put in 3, we put in 6, 6, and 7. Do we have an option here? Yep, option 1. Alright, so we found that answer. Let's quickly move ahead. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? All the numbers are repeated twice? Maybe. Let's see. But then 4 is repeated 4 times, so that is not going to be the option. We again have 2 repetitions. So we can say that after half the series, the whole sequence gets reversed. That is interesting. So we draw a line after 2 4s and see whether we have a matching answer. Yes, we do. Option number 3. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? Looks like there are squares and cubes. So let's check how that works. So we fill in 1 here, we fill in 8 here, because 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. Then we have 3 square is 9 and 3 cube is 27. So do we have the option 189 in the options anywhere? Oh yes, option number 2. Let's move on. What is the correct option to complete the given series? Looks like there's a number and it's double. So let's try that and see. Let's draw lines after what we think is the number and it's double. So we have 8 and 16, 4 and 8, 2 and 4 and 1 and 2. So do we have 8, 8 and 2 in the options anywhere? Yep, option number 4. Let's move ahead. What is the correct option to complete the series here? Each number is repeated 4 times here, except 5. Let's try that and see. So we have 4, 3 and 1. So there could be more numbers before 5 and more after 1 in this series. Do we have this option 4, 3, 1? Yes. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Let's move ahead. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? Seems like the repetitions are decreasing. Let's check that and see. We draw a line between 7 and 8, after 8 and the dash, after 10, after the dash before 12, after 12, and we try to fill in the values. So we fill in 10 here. But there is no option beginning with 10. So obviously that approach is wrong. Now we need to try another approach. Put a 9 in the first blank. Alright. So we have a single 7, 5 8s and a single 9. Let's do 4 10s. And then we have a single 11 and then we do 3 12s. And then a single 13. Do we have that option? Yes, we do. 9, 10, 12 and 13. So that is the correct answer. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? 81, 1, 49, 36, 4 are all square numbers. 2 and 5 are not square numbers. But that is not taking us anywhere. What else? What else? Let's think. Let's look at alternate numbers. We have 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. We can put 3 in there. Alright. The other alternates are squares. So we have 9 square dash 7 square 6 square dash. What do you think goes in there? We can have 8 square in the first blank. Alright. Then we can have 5 square in the last blank. Do we have that option? Yes, we do. Alright, so the correct answer is option number 4. Good job, good thinking. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? Number repetitions are going on increasing. There's 1 7, 2 5s, 3 8s, and so on. So we can expect 4 3s, alright, and 5 2s, alright, and the options are option 4 is out, option 2 is out, 5 is already in the sequence. So 5 is out. So we have 6. So now we followed the method of elimination when we got the first 2 answers what we thought was right. So the correct answer for this problem is option number 1. Let's move on. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? 9 is repeated twice. Let's repeat 6 thrice. Alright. Then let's repeat 3 4 times. Alright. Then do 0 5 times. Do we have an option anywhere? Yeah, this seems to be working. Check if we have an option. Of course we do. Option number 2. Good job. This was easy. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? 4 is repeated 5 times. So let's repeat 5 4 times. Then let's put 6 3 times. And try 7 2 times. We even have an option for this. Option number 2. And that seems to be correct. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? The first bracket has square of 1, 2 and 3. The second bracket has a cube of 3 and 2. So blank can be a cube of, guess, 1. The third bracket has fourth power of 1 and 2. So blank can be the fourth power of, guess, 3. 81. So yeah, we have an option for that too. Option number 1. Good job. Let's move on. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? Numbers are repeating but not in a sequence. So let's think differently. 5 can repeat 5 times. 4 can repeat 4 times. Alright, let's put that in. 2 can repeat 2 times. Put that in. 3 can repeat 3 times. 6 can repeat how many times? 6 times. Right. And do we have an option for that? Of course we do. Option number 2. Hooray! That was a cool way of thinking, don't you think? Let's move ahead. What is the correct option to complete the series given below? If you observe, the numbers in this series are increasing. So we can try addition or multiplication. So let's try addition first. When we add 1 plus 2, we get 3. Do we have 3 as the first option in any of the given set of options? Yes. When we add 3 and 2, we get 5. But the sequence has the number 4. So obviously addition is not going to work. Now let's try multiplication. When we multiply 1 and 2, we get 2. When we multiply 2 and 2, we get 4. So I think we're heading somewhere. When we multiply 4 and 2, we get 8. When we multiply 8 and 4, we get 32. So is that an option? Yes. Option 1 seems to be right. Let's check further. Now 32 into 8 is 256. And 256 into 32 is 8192. So looks like option number 1 is the correct answer. And that brings us to the end of this lesson.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.